stop, because the next 45 seconds might completely change how you look at YouTube videos forever. Right now, there's a silent wave of AI-generated viral renovation videos taking over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. No talking faces, no fancy cameras, no editing skills, just simple renovation videos with a time-lapse effect. And these videos, they're pulling millions of views like it's nothing. One creator gained 50,000 followers in just 30 days. Another exploded to 781,000 followers in a single month. One single short crossed 104 million views. Now here's the part that messes with your head. If each 1,000 views earns just 1 cent, that one short alone made over $1,000 from one video, created using free AI tools, no team, no experience, no money invested. And here's the scary truth. Most people watching those videos could recreate them today, but they won't, because missing one small step breaks the entire time-lapse illusion. So if you skip even 1 second of this video, you'll never get the same viral result. Watch carefully, because what I'm about to show you is exactly how these AI renovation videos are made for free. Now pay attention, because this is where most people mess everything up. To create these exact renovation videos, you don't need complicated software. You just need one master prompt. And yes, you'll find it pinned in the comments. But listen carefully. If you think just copying that prompt will magically give you viral videos, sorry, that's where you're wrong, because this is not a normal prompt. This is a system-level master prompt, and if you don't use it in the exact right way, you'll get average results. Not viral ones, so don't skip. First, copy the entire master prompt, not half, not edited, the entire thing. Now head over to your ChatGPT account, paste the full prompt, and hit send. The moment you do that, ChatGPT doesn't reply like a normal chatbot. It analyzes the prompt, locks into a structured workflow, and gets ready to execute. Now comes the most important step. Type exactly one word, start. Nothing else, no extra text, hit send. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will generate 10 transformation ideas, each one designed specifically for high retention renovation videos. You can choose any one of them. For this video, I'm selecting option 2, modern glass villa. The moment you confirm your choice, this is where the magic actually happens. ChatGPT instantly starts generating photorealistic image prompts and frame-to-video animation prompts optimized for time-lapse style viral content. And here's the best part. Every single prompt is delivered inside clean, copyable code blocks. One click, copy, paste. No selecting text, no formatting issues, no confusion, just ready to use prompts that are already engineered for viral renovation videos. Now we move to the most satisfying part of this entire process, creating the actual images for your AI renovation time-lapse. And trust me, this step alone is what separates average creators from viral ones. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the very first image. This image represents the raw state before the transformation begins. Now open a new tab and go to google.com. Search for ImageFX. Click on the first result from Google Labs. Now, here's something important. If you're outside the US, UK, Kenya, New Zealand, or Australia, you might see a message saying, ImageFX is not available in your country yet. Don't panic. There's a simple workaround. Go back to google.com and search for VPN with double E. In the results, click the link from the Chrome web store titled Free VPN for Chrome. Add this extension. Once installed, click on the VPN icon and select any supported country. For this tutorial, I'm choosing UK. The moment you see the green circular button, your VPN is active. Now go back to the ImageFX website and refresh the page. Boom, access unlocked. You'll now see the ImageFX interface. Click on the prompt box, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT, and here's a critical step most people miss. Remove the first line that says Image A, raw state. Now hit create. Within a few seconds, ImageFX will generate 4 different raw state images. Choose the one that looks the best to you and download it. This image is the foundation of your entire time lapse. Now comes the smart part. For the progress and final completion images, we are not going to use ImageFX. And this is where people get confused, so listen carefully. Go to gemini.google.com. If this is your first visit, click on Chat with Gemini, then click Use Gemini. You'll notice an upgrade badge, which confirms you're on a free plan. Now click on Create Image with the banana icon. Select the Pro option to use Nano Banana Pro for free. Next, upload the raw state image you just downloaded from ImageFX. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for image B in progress. Paste it into Gemini. Remove the first line that says image B in progress. Hit send. Within seconds, Gemini uses Nano Banana Pro to generate the second image. Notice the difference. Construction has started. The transformation is visible. Now let's create the third image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for image C, completed unfurnished version. Paste it into Gemini. Again, remove the first line, and at the very beginning, add this sentence. Use the above reference image. Hit send. In a few seconds, you'll see a fully completed structure, but still unfurnished, which means it's time for the final reveal. Go back to ChatGPT one last time and copy the prompt for image D, completed and furnished. Paste it into Gemini. Again, remove the first line again. Start with, use the above image as reference. Hit send, and within seconds, Gemini generates the final fully furnished version, sofas, decor, plants, lighting, everything perfectly placed. And just like that, you now have all 4 images for a viral AI renovation time-lapse: raw, progress, completed, fully furnished. And now we're ready to animate these images for free and turn them into a video that actually pulls views. So you really cannot afford to skip this step. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Open a new tab and go to flow.google. This gives you access to Veo 3, completely free. Once you're inside, look at the bottom and click on New Project. By default, you'll see Text to Video. Change that. Select Frames to Video. Now double check one more thing. Make sure Veo 3.1 Fast is selected. This version consumes less credits and works perfectly for time-lapse transformations. Now upload your first image into the initial frame. Adjust or crop if needed, then hit crop and save. Once the initial frame is uploaded, click on Final Frame and upload the second image. Again, adjust, crop, save. Now, both frames are locked in. To animate them properly, we need the exact motion instructions. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for video 1, image A to B. Return to Google Flow and paste the prompt. Important, remove the first line that says video 1, image A to B. Now hit send, and within a few seconds, Veo 3.1 does its magic. Your first video clip is ready. Preview it. You'll notice something insane. Construction happening in motion, workers moving, and a smooth time-lapse effect. And it gets better. These clips come with built-in sound effects, which instantly makes them feel cinematic. Now here's the strategy. We don't create one long video. We create multiple short transformation clips. For video 2, we'll reuse the final frame of video 1. So upload image 2 as the initial frame, then upload image 3 as the final frame, crop if needed. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for video 2, image B to image C. Paste it into Google Flow, remove the first line, hit send. Within seconds, video clip 2 is ready. Preview it. You'll see the structure moving closer to completion. Now for video 3, repeat the exact same process. Use image 3 as the initial frame. Use image 4 as the final frame. Copy the video 3 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the clip. This one looks absolutely insane. A full transformation into a luxury space. Now comes video 4. For this one, there is no final frame. We only animate the 4th image itself. So upload image 4 into the initial frame. Leave the final frame empty. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video 4 prompt. Paste it into Google Flow. remove the first line, and hit send. And within seconds, bingo! Your final cinematic clip is ready. Now you have 4 high-quality video clips, each flowing perfectly into the next. Using the same method, I generated these clips for AI renovation of an ancient villa with time-lapse effect. With that, almost everything is ready. But don't start editing yet, because there's one final step that decides whether this video gets 10,000 views or 10 million, and almost nobody talks about it. Now we need something that ties everything together, the background music. Yes, you can use copyright-free music, but I prefer creating my own original music. So there's zero copyright risk and full creative control. For that, go to Suno AI. Once you're inside, click on Create from the left sidebar. Now we'll use a pre-optimized music prompt that's perfectly suited for renovation time-lapse videos. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the instrumental option is selected. Now hit Create. Within a few seconds, Suno AI will generate 2 different versions of background music. Preview the first one. Now preview the second one. Personally, the second version fits perfectly. It complements the construction flow, the time-lapse pace, and the cinematic vibe. So download the version you like the most. Now it's time for the final assembly. Open your favorite video editor, CapCut, Filmora, Premiere, anything works. Import all video clips and the background music. Drag all the video clips onto the timeline in the correct order. We don't need the built-in sound effects from the clips, so select all video clips and reduce the audio level to -20 decibels. Next, removing the watermark, select all video clips again and scale them to 115%. Now drag the background music onto the timeline. Let's preview it. And instantly, the video feels 10 times more professional. One more important strategy, I'm combining 2 different renovations into one single video, and I strongly recommend you do the same. If you want even better retention, merge 3 or more renovations into one video. Now you might be thinking, should I add transitions between every clip? The answer is no. Do not add transitions between every clips. Only add a push-right transition between 2 different renovation projects. And add a short whoosh sound effect to that transition. Set the transition duration to 13 frames if you're using Filmora, 0.5 seconds if you're using CapCut. Now the video feels cinematic, not over-edited. Once everything looks perfect, export the video. Before we watch the final result, if you've watched till here, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. For more AI viral video tutorials like this, let's aim for 500 likes on this video. And comment below what tutorial you want to see next. Now, let's preview the final result. And if you want to create talking food and fruit health videos using AI, trust me, you cannot afford to miss the next video.